everybody, and welcome to this episode of RMS TV. Thanks so much for joining us and welcome. We've got a really good subject for today. It's actually my 5-2-1 rules for lead generating success. Again, pretty simple, right? 5-2-1 rule for lead generating success. I think you'll agree with me that we really have to concentrate in this business on filling our pipeline consistently with new business. That's lead generating, right? So we've got to find these leads, and I think the rules for lead generating success will really help. So let's start out by talking about the 5. I think it's really interesting, and many folks don't get this, but I honestly believe that lead generating activities are 5 times more important than anything else you're going to be able to do in real estate. Honestly, at least 5 times more important. Now, I would like to say this: it's not where you're going to spend most of your time. Generating leads is not where you're going to spend a majority of your time. That would be in customer service, dealing with buyers, sellers, landlords, tenants. But lead generating, 5 times, at least 5 times more important. I think we got the 5 across. How about the 2? Well, I believe to be successful in lead generating activities, you've got to spend at least 2 hours a day on focused lead generating activities. Just 2. Quite frankly, even 1, but 2 would be much better. 2 hours focused lead generating activities. These are things that should be in your business plan, things that you incorporate into your plan and into your day, into your schedule, whether that's a daily schedule, daily routine, a weekly routine, monthly, quarterly, even annually. These activities that are schedulable through a written business plan really make that 2 hours a day very simple. It's all a matter of putting the time aside and making sure you're at a place where you can totally focus. Okay, that's the 5, and that's the 2. And how about the 1? To be really successful in this part of our business, I like to think you should have a 1 lead a week mentality. That means you're not going to rest until you find that 1 lead that may actually lead to a closed transaction. 1 lead a week, whether that's a buyer, potential buyer, whether that's a seller, potential seller, landlord, or tenant. If we are able to come up with 1 lead a week, think about it for a second. Let's do the math. That 1 lead a week equals 50 plus or minus leads a year. If you're able to close just half of those leads, 24, 25 closed transactions, you're doing enough business that would warrant an award in almost any franchise, any real estate company in this country. 24 closings with that 1 lead a week mentality. I think it's really important to concentrate on the 5-2-1 rules for lead generating success. Hey, and a bonus today, I've got 1 more equation for you today. It's the P plus P equals S. Let's start with the first P, prospecting. Lead generating, we just talked a lot about it. Plus P, preparation. Knowing what to do once you actually find a lead. It's so important to be able to be prepared. So prospecting, plus preparation equals S, success. It's a great equation. It's a great rule. 5, 2, 1. You're sure to succeed. Hey, that's all we've got time for today. Thanks for dropping by. Thanks for being a part of RMS TV. And I'll catch you the next time. Bye-bye for now. Take care.